Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can check our Amazon gift card balance. So the process is very simple. What you have to do is launch any browser and then simply type in check Amazon gift card balance. While you are using Chrome, also make sure that you are logged into your Amazon account, maybe in the second tab. And as you do that, simply open this link right here that says check your gift card. Now, as you can see that, as I tap onto the link, I'm logged into my account. Under check your gift card balance, it'll give you instructions. Directly select this gift cards. And likewise, it will lead you to a page like this where it will show you your gift card balance. In my case, it is $0. In your case, it might be different. If you would like to load your balance, select reload your balance, and likewise, go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.